we want to start batching these out, we need to have a process that's a lot more efficient. So our injection moulding machines are perfect for this, but other than our mum and a few friends saying that these look nice, we have no idea if these are going to sell well, so we don't really want to be forking out $1 or $2 grand on a really nice mould on something that might not even sell. So as a kind of proof of concept, we're going to use our Waterjet cutter to make a nice simple mould that we can use to work out if people like these things and then if they sell well. If they do, we can then invest that money into a nicer mould. But until then, this will work perfectly. So the WAZER is a desktop Waterjet cutter which uses a combination of abrasive and water to cut through pretty much anything. For our case, we're going to be using this 3mm aluminium because that's what we have lying around. But before that, the most satisfying part. Woo! Nearly. So we use that same template as we drew earlier on in our Vectric Aspire software, but we doubled it up so that we can make twice as many and make this a bit more efficient. We used the WAZER software to convert that into code that the machine can read, and then got cutting. The only processing we had to do once the plate came out of the WAZER was a little bit of light sanding on the back, as you tend to get a bit of a burr as the water cuts through. So the prototype moulds that we use are sandwich moulds. So basically you have the top plate that has the hole in it that we inject the plastic through. We've got the bottom plate which acts as the backer, and the middle plate is the one that we cut out on the WAZER and determines the shape of the product that we're. So you just need to get the mould into place, you pull the lever, that's locked in, you spin the wheel till it comes to a natural stop. That way you know it's full. You hold it for a few seconds and you can let go, release the lever, and you're ready to unclamp. Once those combs are out the mould, there's really not much to do in terms of post-processing. All we have to do is snip them free of that sprue and it's pretty much good to go. Oh, it is actually worth mentioning here that you can use the WAZER to cut combs directly out of flat sheets of plastic. We just prefer to use injection moulding just because it is a lot quicker and more efficient.